In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove a card from your Wecasa account. This process is straightforward and allows you to manage your payment methods effectively without needing to delete your entire account. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website using your preferred web browser. Once the page is fully loaded, look for the option to log in. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. After clicking log in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Input your email address and password associated with your Wecasa account. Once you've entered your information, click the submit button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your personal space on the Wecasa website. Once you are in your personal space, locate the section labeled Payment Methods. This can usually be found in the menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking on Payment Methods will take you to a page where all your stored payment details are displayed. On the Payment Methods page, find the card you wish to remove. Next to your card details, there will be a bin icon. Click on this bin icon to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this payment method. Confirm your choice to proceed. It is important to note that you cannot delete your payment details if you have an ongoing order or subscription. Ensure that you do not have any active transactions before attempting to remove your card. If you only want to manage your payment methods without deleting your account, this method is ideal for you. That concludes the process of removing a card from your Wecasa account. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.